Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the cutest braided back-to-school hairstyles. I love a good braid, and what better way to wear it than if you're going back to school or to church. They're honestly perfect for any occasion, so if you have something cute coming up, these hairstyles are amazing for you. Before we get into all these cute tutorials, be sure to hit that like button for us so that more people can see our content, and also subscribe so that you can get new inspiration for your beauty routine every single week. Okay, so my hair's a little bit wavy, but you can do these when your hair's straight, curly, whatever. It doesn't really matter. They still look cute, so don't worry about having to curl your hair if you don't have time. And I'm just going to take a section of my hair, and then I'm going to just do a braid. Just a 3-strand braid all the way down. And then I'm just going to loosen that braid a little bit by pulling out small sections to make it thicker. And I'm just going to tie that off with a little clear elastic and do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm just going to tie it off with a little clear elastic. And then we are going to bring them together in the back. And then I'm just going to take my 2 braids and then kind of just like wrap them around each other. And then. And this gives like just a cool different effect than if you just braid them and pin them. And then that is all. Okay, for this next hairstyle, I'm just going to get a section that's like a little bit behind my ear, and then just do a regular 3-strand braid. Super easy and super simple. I'm just going to fluff that out a little bit by pulling small little sections on my braid. And then I'm just going to secure it with a small clear elastic. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I'm just going to fluff it out again like the other braid. Looking so cute, right? Okay, no, it looks horrible right now, but I'm going to take just a little piece in front of my ear. I'm going to section it off a little bit. I'm going to take my braid and bring it around, kind of creating a little bit of a headband. And I'm going to take this side, section a little off as well, get my braid, and bring it around just like the other. I'm just going to tuck that tail under the other braid and pin it into place. And then that's all. You have this really cute headband braid. It's so simple, so easy, and instantly makes you look like you spent so much time on your hair. This style that I'm going to show you guys is one of my favorite ways to wear a ponytail. It's so simple, but it looks so cute and just takes your ponytail to the next level. So I'm just going to start by taking a chunk of my hair and braiding it in a French braid all the way down. And it's actually just a 3-strand braid, so you don't like have to add hair in usually like you would with a French braid or a Dutch braid. Then I'm just going to fluff it out. I just secured my braid into a clear elastic, and then I'm just going to pull all of my hair up into a ponytail. I'm going to still leave my braid out, but just measure it up to make sure it's going to look good. And then I'm going to secure my hair with an elastic. We're going to just take this braid and wrap it around to cover up my ponytail. Then I'm just going to pin it in with a bobby pin. Then I'm just going to pull a couple pieces down to make it look more natural. Do that on both sides. Pull small amounts around my crown. Just give me a little height and volume. And that is all. It's super easy and Makes your ponytail look so much cuter. Okay, so for this hairstyle, I'm gonna part my hair in the middle, and then I'm just gonna get like a small section and try to get a somewhat straight part, but it doesn't have to be straight. And I usually try to do like 1.5 inches, 2 inches wide. And then I'm just going to kind of section it off from the rest of my hair. So I normally pull it forward and twist it. And then I'm going to take this hair and just put it in a little ponytail. I know it looks really funny. Y'all are going to think I'm crazy right now, but you know, it's going to help me. And then I'm just going to take this and in the front, section it off, split it into 3 sections, and do a Dutch braid so that it lays flat against my head. And a Dutch braid, always remember, you're putting the sides underneath the middle strand. And then again, I just section my hair off so I don't confuse myself. And then do another Dutch braid so it lays against my head. And then on this side again, I'm just gonna pin it in the back so that I can fluff my braids up and make them a little thicker. Okay, so now that I've fluffed my braids, I'm just gonna take a small little clear elastic and bring them together. And I'm gonna create a tiny little bun. Just gonna fluff my bun out a little bit. And then we are done. If you wanna curl your hair to give it a little more curls and body, or just leave it straight. And that's all for this hairstyle. It's super fast and it's such a fun way to change up the traditional top knot. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed these hairstyles. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. I would love to know. I love all of them, so I'm curious to know which one's your favorite.